In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and change a photo background using Fotor's AI editor. We'll take a photo you already have, remove its background with one click, and replace it with either a solid color or a different image. This is great for product photos, profile pictures, or simple design projects, and you won't need any advanced editing experience. Start by opening your browser on your PC and going to www.fotor.com. On the homepage, look for AI Editor and click it. This opens the workspace where all the tools you need are in one place. Next, click Upload. A file window will appear. Select your photo, then click Open. For best results, choose an image where the subject stands out clearly from the background and is reasonably high resolution. On the left side of the editor, click BG Remover. Fotor will process your image and remove the background automatically. Give it a moment to finish. Processing time can vary based on your internet speed and the size of the photo. The tool is usually very accurate around hair and edges, so you should see a clean cutout. Now click Change Background. If you want a simple, clean look, click Color and choose a solid color. White and light gray are popular for product shots, while darker colors can add contrast for portraits. If you'd prefer to place your subject in a different scene, click Photos to upload a new background. To upload a background image, click Upload, select the background image you want and click Open. Pick a background that matches the lighting and perspective of your subject for the most natural result. Once the background is in place, adjust the subject if needed by dragging it. You can move it to center it or create an off-centered look. If resizing handles appear, use them to scale your subject up or down while keeping it proportional. Take a moment to check that your subject sits comfortably within the new background and that there's enough breathing room around the edges. When everything looks good, click Download. You'll be asked to choose PNG or JPG. Choose PNG if you want a transparent background or need the highest clarity for graphics and logos. Choose JPG if you want a smaller file size for quick sharing or web use. After selecting your format, click Download again and your edited image will save to your computer. And that's it. You've removed a background and replaced it with a color or image using Fotor's AI editor quickly and cleanly.